Do you drive a complete and utter pile of garbage? Is that battery always going flat, causing daily aggravation? Are you tired of always getting out of your car in the middle of the summer, popping your hood and trunk just to get your jumper cables? Once you manage to get your hood open and locate that problem battery, you begin the dangerous process of untangling the dry-rotted knots of wires you call jumper cables that your grandma got you from TJ Maxx 15 years ago. Once you have those wires figured out, you're forced into social interactions begging for a source of power for your hoopty.
Can I get a jump? Can I get a jump? Anybody?
It's all just such a hassle. Well, Out of Line Garage has a non-sponsored product just for you. Act now and you could be starting your pile of garbage today. Here's how.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So on Amazon Prime Day, I ended up finding one of these NOCO chargers, these little portable jump starters. Picked one up because obviously I like buying broken down cars. So we're gonna go ahead and test this out. I know you guys have not seen either one of these cars yet. These will be coming to the channel shortly. Essentially, it's a 97 Cobra, and that's a 98 GT. Cobra's battery is dead, so I'm going to demonstrate how these chargers work. I want to say I picked this up for, I think, like $110 on Prime Day, which was about half off. I know they're more than that. And actually, Anthony has the one step below. So I have this one. Anthony ended up picking up the GB40, which is just slightly smaller. This was actually the same price as his when it was on sale. So we'll go ahead and show you guys what these are, demonstrate how they work, and I think they're pretty cool. Alright, so just a little overview. It comes with its own little carrying case. It has a charger. This is how you actually charge the system. 2 jump leads, and the actual unit itself. So this is kind of cool because it's also a flashlight, an emergency light, and like an external battery, so you can charge your cell phone, things like that. So it has USB out, so if you wanted to plug a USB to charge like your phone or something, you can. USB in is where you plug this into the wall and it charges the actual unit itself. And then on this side is where you can hook up the jump leads, just like that. So another cool thing about this is that when you turn it on, this power button, it actually has a light. So it has a really bright LED light. I know it's kind of hard to tell because it's Florida and it's bright. You can do a couple different modes, a couple different brightnesses. It has like a flashing. It has like a strobe setup, and just constant on. So alright, so if you need to test how much battery it has, you just turn it on and it'll show you. I just charged this. I've actually jumped the Cobra about 7 times so far on a single charge. I just plugged it in for the sake of the video, so we actually have a full charge. So there's that, and there's this little button where this will automatically not jump a vehicle if it has less than 2 volts of battery, which the Cobra is completely dead. So we'll end up having to use this extreme jump feature to jump the Cobra. So let's go ahead and pop the hood and I'll show you guys how this system works. Alright, just to show how dead this Cobra is, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys. It literally has nothing. Nothing, no dings, no lights, nothing.
It would have been funny if this time it just started right up.
Yeah, no, that ain't happening. Alright, so what we will do is take the jump leads, obviously put the red on the positive and the black on the negative. Plug this in like this. And then turn it on. Alright, so like I said, if the battery is below 2 volts, like this one probably is, it won't do anything. So I'll go ahead and try this real quick. Pretty sure it won't do anything, but I'll go ahead and try real quick anyways. And we got a whole lot of nothing. So here's the cool thing. If you come over here, and you press this little exclamation point, hold it, this will light up, and see how the car just clicked, everything clicked? That means there's essentially what this did is completely replace this battery with the juice that's in here. So let's go ahead and try and start the car. All you got to do is hit the power button, turn it off, unplug this, take the leads off, and you're good to go. So this is not a sponsored ad at all. They did not send this to us. I actually bought it with my own money, not even the company money. I do highly suggest these. Just for the fact that you can just keep them in your car, and if you need to jump start somebody, or if you need to charge your phone in an emergency, or you need a light or something like that, these are great, especially for somebody that buys crappy cars like me and Anthony. So I'm going to go ahead and link the one that Anthony has and this one down below. We are an Amazon affiliate. If you guys do decide to pick one up, I would highly appreciate it if you click through the link, because we get a small kickback, which helps funds the projects like this. So stay tuned, and if you guys are interested, this is going to end up hopefully being a Champ car. That's going to end up being a Cobra swapped GT. So stay tuned on the channel for that. Those should be coming up soon, and thank you guys for watching. Thanks for subscribing, and we'll catch you next time. Bye.